In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Google Sheets, step by step. Let's begin this journey by heading to Google. You're going to open up your web browser and simply go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in Google Sheets. This will lead you to a selection of search results. But what you're looking for is the Google Workspace website, where Google Sheets is hosted. Clicking on the Google Workspace website link will take you to a platform that offers a suite of productivity tools, including Sheets. Once you've arrived on the website, you'll want to look for the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that, and enter your credentials if you aren't logged in already. Logging in will give you full access to your files and the various features of Google Workspace, including the ability to create new documents and collaborate. Now that you're signed in, let's start by creating a fresh workspace. Click on the option to open a blank spreadsheet. This will give you a clean slate to work with, which is perfect for our needs. When the new spreadsheet loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll find various icons. One of these will be the Google Gemini logo. Clicking on this logo will open the Gemini interface, where you'll be able to harness the tool's AI capabilities right from within Google Sheets. At this point, with the Gemini interface open, you're going to type in your prompt. This is where you instruct Gemini on what you would like it to do. Be clear and concise with your instruction. For instance, you might want to generate a report, analyze certain data, or request a specific table layout. Enter your desired task and let Gemini take the lead. Once you've typed your prompt and hit enter, something quite magical happens. Right before your eyes, you'll see a table created by Google Gemini. This isn't just any table. It's crafted based on your request, using the AI abilities of Gemini to provide exactly what you need. This feature can be a massive time saver and an incredible asset if you frequently work with data and need to automate processes in Google Sheets. And there you have it. You have successfully utilized Google Gemini in your Google Sheets. It's really that simple. With these steps, you can start integrating AI into your spreadsheets, making your work not only easier, but also more efficient. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide enhances the way you use Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with others who might benefit from these capabilities. Until next time, happy data managing.